G'day everyone, welcome back to another show. Sophisticated Bogan. We are at the Bay Chipper with Northside Streeters. Obviously we've got Fancy Fox here, awesome peeps, awesome cars. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's crack on. Alright, we've got the marquee. It's always good to see everyone. Benny Money, give us a big wave.
How are you?
Not too bad. I need to take care of these guys because they keep supplying me with coffee.
We got to put the spring in your step, we do.
I know, but I need to make it up to you. Alright guys, that's shit. Brat. Wayne's getting an interview. Well, we've got a good mix of peeps here today. Oh, we've got Phil's Z28. He's trying to close the bonnet on me. Trying to be a smart ass.
I'm looking under there.
Why? We got Nigel's car. He's had some overheating issues, so he's finally been able to get it fixed and back out again. It's always a bonus. His head stuck in a boot somewhere. Oh, the mighty AU. And how cool is this, peeps? You do not see Daytonas very often. And these things are very expensive now. But they're a classic. Classic cars cost money. Old bow. Nice and clean. You just don't see these ones getting out anymore. Hey guys. It's good to see that they're getting out and about. We've got to keep these things going. Sorry. We have a good mix here today. Here we got the fam. Hi fam. And that's Sophisticated's new photographer.
What?
Sophisticated Bogan's new photographer. And the TikToker. Matty and Joe's car. And Kelly, they've been working on this. They want me to do a photo shoot down the track. You're looking forward to that. I really like the paint colour. Jimmies! Oh, it's a modern engine, sort of. Yeah, fuel injected. So it's modern-ish. We got Mark's truck. We got DAB detailers. The good peeps, you check them out. DAB Detailing. They're just in Rothwell. They're good peeps. Old school Fairlane. Montana. Howdy doody. Oh, I don't think I'd spotted that before. Now we've seen this one before, but it's good to see it out again as well. Alright, we've also got the crewman, the club car. We got Steve-O going there.
Rock and roll USA, Australia, baby.
That's better. And got Fancy Fox with the air car. Can't remember if this is a Nova or a Chevelle. We're thinking maybe Nova. Anyway, Chevy SS. Yeah, I'll pick up. Old caddy. Alright. I think it's a V8. Yeah. Oh, it's got a blue top. 3.3. Oh, we've got Mark's old courier has made a return. SLK, pretty sure. Yeah, SLK. Don't really see many of these. First time I'd ever come across an SLK was on a game. Need for Speed. Oh, look at this, a pair of beautiful cars. I've always got a soft spot for the old XC XPs. Awesome. Old combi. Those are getting expensive now. That's still cool. Oh, I got the XA. Mate. Running off with his dad's car. See you, mate. Alright everyone, that's it for this one. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Awesome amount of cars you guys see. It's good to see them coming up. So also guys, make sure that you check out Facebook, Insta and TikTok. Also check out Northside Streeters and Fancy Fox Coffee. They are bloody good people. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that jazz. And yeah, I'll catch you guys next one. Cheers.